What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing great, and today it's time for us to watch our favorite and very satisfying instant karma and instant justice moments. And before we start, I just want to say how much I appreciate you guys and your support. Of course, it really means a lot. So yeah, thank you very much for everything. And now with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Alrighty, let's get this party started. Here's a on-board video, which is always great. And this guy's doing what the Audi does best, and that is tailgating and flashing his headlights. But apparently the guy in front has some fancy lights too. That's why he pulled him over and let him have a closer look. Oh, that's a Mustang, so be careful everybody. Whoa! That's the 5-0. They always get salty when they lose a race. First they lure you into a trap with that Mustang, and then when you want to race and actually win the race, they hit you with that whoop whoop and turn on the blue lights. And that is so annoying. But yeah, nice Mustang and a nice Lambo. Yo, pull over, we just wanna talk. Pull over right now. No, 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 don't run away from us. Why are you running? Why are you running? You're never gonna catch me alive, coppers. See ya. I have a feeling that biker has some experience. It's not his first time. And it's also very hard to catch a biker if he knows what he's doing. Oh, there's more. The more he runs away, the more they get mad. Let's see how this one will end. And now he's like, okay, you got me, I'll pull over. I'll pull over, okay. Or am I? He playing too much. That guy's playing too much. And he's not done yet, apparently. Here he comes again. Power! Whee! See ya in Spain, lads. Rumor has it that was the last time they saw him. But anyways, the trucker is like, I'm gonna teach you the biggest lesson of your life. You're in for an ass whooping. Just let me grab my toolbox and you're gonna be... Oh, hello there, officer. I just wanted to clean your windshield real quick. That's why I stopped you. Have a nice day and thank you for your service. We need the backup. We have a hillbilly on the loose. He's all over the place and he's trying to get to Alabama. Bro's got 3 stars at least. And now the cop is like, I've had enough of this hillbilliness. Enough is enough. Ain't nobody gonna drive like that on my watch. Uh-oh, uh-oh, looks like the government is coming. Yep. Everybody's biggest fear. And let me know in the comments, guys, what was the last time you've been pulled over and why. I would like to know the reason. Let's see here what is going on. Oh, looks like we have a lane war on our hands. Someone is a little bit confused here. But let's see who's gonna win.
Two right turn lanes. There's the right lane and then the left lane. You're in the wrong lane. It's all on camera.
The police is like, how about you both shut up and move on with your life? It's almost end of my shift and I don't have time for this. On to the next one. Whoa, 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 what was that? They're now fishing criminals? Damn. That's the first time I see something like this. Very interesting, not gonna lie. And now it looks like we have another interesting pursuit unfolding in front of us. That guy's like, I tried this in GTA and it worked. I don't see a single reason why it wouldn't work in real life too. I'm just gonna squeeze through here real quick, the petrol pump. Sorry guys for interruption. It's a long story, but I have to do this. Around the truck, and now I should get 1 less star. Oh wait a minute, this is not working. I guess I'm just gonna use the leave me alone cheat code. If you know, you know. Oh, he did him dirty there. But apparently the cheat code didn't work, and whack! The cop in an orange car smacks the stupidity out of him. And says, don't worry, we're gonna take you to the nice place where you can learn how to play the piano. That's a nice Dodge, by the way. An interesting color, for sure. And you always expect those undercover cars to be black, but this one is different, which is nice. For them, of course. For us, not that good. Oh, this guy went straight through a red. Which is a brilliant idea, especially when the police is there. Oh, hello there, NYPD. I like the lights. They haven't changed those in a while. 30 years, maybe. I don't know. If you know, let me know in the comments. Also, when I think about it, the livery is the same as well. Well, it's safe to say that they like to keep the tradition, which is always nice. And also, by the way, that truck pulled the 900 IQ play right there. And of course, try to play it off. But never mind that, here's something far more interesting than that. Another typical GTA player in action. Whoa, 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 be careful, you don't wanna do that. And booyah! That cop went full Conor McGregor and beat maneuvered that guy into a guardrail. He decided to end this shenanigans once and for all. Alright, let's see here. This is completely acceptable if you're driving on deserted island. What the hell are you doing, all of you? This is also happening in my country way too much. It's common, basically. And here comes the 5-0 to save the day. Somebody's gonna have a little chat with them. And the cop is like, what are you doing, you dingleberry? Pull over. Pull over. So many dingleberries in one place. Whoa, hold your horses, bro. Here we have an impatient one. And here comes the moment of truth. And... busted! I don't know the reason behind his actions, but this will not save him time. Ooh! That was a love tap from behind. That was the cop. Damn, bro. Out of all those cars you could have crashed into, you've chosen the cop car. Very good. And this guy's like, power, speed, and power is my middle name.
That was a bad idea.
Oh, the cop saw him. Pull over, sir, my mustache would like a word with you.
That's not funny.
I don't know how fast he was going, but it was over the speed limit for sure. I now wonder what would be the good excuse for this. To talk your way out of the ticket. I'm terribly sorry, officer, but I just don't give a damn. Anyways, we are moving on. Oh, I missed the action. I got carried away a little bit and missed all of the action. But it is what it is. It's currently 2 AM in the morning, so we're gonna move on. And these two are like, ha! Waiting is for peasants. Oh, they ambushed them. It was just a short-lived victory for the bikers. But they didn't get away with it. They see me rolling. They hate them. Patrolling and trying to catch me right in there. I think he's speeding a little bit. Not too much, nothing crazy. Just a little bit. Admit it, we've all done it, so we're not gonna be too harsh on him. And what is going on here? That guy was like, the traffic light is a myth and it doesn't exist. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed in today's Instant Karma episode, and if you did and you want to see more of these, please smack that like button, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for the support. That's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.